Somto Eluwa to present the Innovator Award, and I'd like to invite Lord Simon Woolley to present the All-Rounder Award as well. So, if we can have the first one, which is the Innovator Award, which Somto will be presenting. And, drum roll actually, let's change up, a bit of a drum roll. And the winner is... Arnold.
Okay, so guess what? Arnold is from Zambia. So yes, another international winner. I told you we're growing with this award, so give Arnold a round of applause because I know he's watching. So congratulations, Arnold. I will receive this for you. Yeah. No, I don't have to wear it again. I know you're going to make me do this. Okay. All right. Make believe Arnold. Yes. Congrats, Arnold, on your award. Thank you. Oh, sorry.